Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to screen record on your Mac. It's easier than you might think. To start screen recording on your Mac, you want to click Command, Shift, and the number 5 key. Boom! This brings up the screen recording toolbar. Now, there are two main options here. The first is to record your entire screen, and the second is to record just a portion of your screen, which you can customize by dragging the selection area. Don't worry about the options to the left, those are for screen capturing, and we won't be covering them today. If you click into the options menu, you'll find some handy settings. You can choose to show mouse clicks in your recordings, which can be really helpful for tutorials. You can also choose to show floating thumbnails once your recording has finished, which I'll demonstrate later. You can also select the microphone you want to use. I'm currently using an external Scarlett USB Solo. Above that, you can select a countdown timer before the recording starts. I usually leave it on None for quicker recording. And last but not least, you can select where you want to save your recording. By default, it's usually the desktop, but you can choose a custom location if you prefer. Once you're ready, click the record button. If you have multiple screens, it will give you the option to record a specific one. I'm going to record the Mac screen you're currently watching. Once the recording has started, you'll see a little stop button at the top right of your screen. When you're finished recording, just click that stop button. You'll notice a thumbnail preview appears in the bottom right corner. If you click on it, you'll get a few options. You can preview the video you just recorded, share it, make adjustments like cropping, or even delete it. Once you're happy, click Done. Now the video has been saved in your chosen location, in my case, the desktop. And there it is. We can now go ahead and use the video as we normally would. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Rome tips.